Hi guys, so DreamCloud decided to expand their family and today we are going to discover their new platform bed frame and also comes with a headboard. Now here's my question. I just received this box and I'm wondering, is everything sitting in there? Because this is a average sized box. So we're about to find out all this together. I'm going to show you what's inside of it. I'm very excited to build it. I am going to be assembling this bed all by myself because it says easy assembly. So it's going to be easy assembly. Let's find out together. We're about to find out this together. Also, it has slats, which means you can put your DreamCloud mattress on it. But there's another question that I was asking myself in a moment of aha. And I thought, what if I can leave the bed frame empty and put my DreamCloud adjustable base inside of it? Will that work out? Oh my gosh, there's so many questions I'm asking myself. And we're about to find out all the answers together. First of all, what's inside the box? Always. Alright. Oh my god, seriously, this is the most beautiful headboard ever. I'm afraid to put my hands on it so I don't stain it, but it's gorgeous. Look at this beautiful finish and work. Amazing. So I know that they come in two different colors, this one and a gray. And honestly, when I went on their website to find out more about them and the measurements and all that stuff, they are out of stock with many other sizes and colors, and the other color probably. But let's just put it together and see how easy it is to assemble the bed. Anything else that I want to say? Oh, the price. I know that it is a super affordable bed. With the price of the whole bed, I remember once purchasing just the headboard for the same price. I think they start with $300 or $350. There's more accurate numbers on my blog and website and page about this bed frame. But it's super affordable, luxurious, beautiful, absolutely attractive. It's going to add a lot to your bedroom. Alright, let's build this bed. I'm so excited face because this is happening right now without no edits. Amazing. All right, I'm going to organize the parts so we don't get overwhelmed. So everything you need is inside this one box, behind or tucked in the headboard. That's fabulous. Okay, A+ for packaging and being able to hide all this. Oh my god. You know why I'm oh my godding again? I found the slats, which means I have to put the slats, but then maybe I don't have to. That's why we're going to experiment this bed frame and see if my adjustable base from DreamCloud fits inside the empty bed frame. Okay, a lot of excitement, guys. No, I did not overdrink coffee or anything. This is my real, I'm so happy face. Okay, back to organizing every single piece. Oh, I love the color. It's like beige or tan. That's special name. Absolutely beautiful. I'm very impressed. Okay. Platform beds and headboard foundations. Irish warranty. This is a little warranty booklet. Questions. Anything you guys need, just call the number on the back. Okay. Installation or manual. Step by step. Just follow the steps. And here They tell you all the parts that you need to find, locate, organize, and build the bed. Step 1, it says we need to locate the footboard, headboard, footboard, 4 legs, and attach. Okay, step 2, this is step 1, finished. Legs on headboard and footboard, done. Okay, step 2, we need to find or locate pieces B, C, and D. Left and right side rails and the horizontal support rail. So left hand side rails and the support rail. We're going to assemble them. So let's find B, C, D. The Velcro where the slats are going to sit later on. Okay, inside the box, find the L wrenches, because I noticed some of the screws are going to be loose, so make sure they're tight before you proceed with the installation. Okay? How do you know they're loose? They will jiggle, you can hear them. Not super loose, but it's better to be safe, right? Perfect. Nothing biggie. Just a teeny bit of secure. Okay, so step 2, I was able to locate B and B, and then C and C with these, not those, D, and the D, and the D back. And bag labeled as D. We're gonna need those to join these 2 rails together. Okay. So this is the top part, because this is where the Velcro or the slats with the Velcro sit. So make sure that this is gonna be the top part. And this is how we're going to join these slats. I'm gonna show you how. You see these bolts? Remember how I said when they're loose, just make sure they're secured? Do not. There's a reason why they are loose, so that these can sit. They're doing me a favor. So that these can sit perfectly in the bolts. So we have bolts, 4 of them that are going to be sitting here. Okay? So L wrench, skinny one, loose again. Okay, here's one side of the rail of the bed finished. I'm going to work on the other side. There's more to come here, so don't be afraid or don't panic. But I'm just showing you how to install. This is step 2. So step 2, I'm gonna do it again. What's required in step 3 are headboard, footboard, and assembled side rails, which is what I just did. This is not looking great too. We'll just do. And that's why you shouldn't worry about this anymore, so focus on that. Now I know this movie is about building the DreamCloud bed frame with slats and a mattress that sits on the slats and see if it's going to carry it perfectly. But I was very curious to see if my adjustable base that also came from DreamCloud fits inside the empty frame. And I think I'm just proving myself right, but seriously, like, this is the exact measurements probably of the adjustable base sitting inside the bed frame. Here's the thing. I know it's going to be very difficult for me to work on making sure that these are tight and sitting perfectly with the side rails. I did secure this one, not the bottom, but I will try to secure them. But here's my thought. It's not really important to secure them because this is just an empty, a shallow bed frame that's containing your adjustable base to make it look nicer instead of just an adjustable base with nothing. So now you have an adjustable base sitting inside an empty bed frame with a beautiful headboard. And I really wanted to experiment this. Like I said, I had this moment and I thought, hey, let's just see if it's going to fit in there. And I didn't even see it on the DreamCloud website. So if you guys are watching this, look what I just discovered. Ta-da. So I'm going to try to secure them. All I need to do is just build the other side rail. But just so you know, it's not really important to secure everything because I don't have the slats and I don't have mattress sitting on the slats. I will put the DreamCloud on the adjustable base, seriously. And we're going to see all the way to the end how this adjustable base is going to move, especially the head part, and if it's going to hit the headboard. I mean, we have nothing to lose, and that's why we make this movie. And I think this is a brilliant idea, I know. That's how I know. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay guys, this is it. This is like the best moment of my life, honestly. I wanted to see if a adjustable bed goes inside the empty frame of the DreamCloud. Everything DreamCloud here in this room. It did. It's super easy to install, absolutely easy. Just locate, find the right pieces, put them together, follow the manual if you want. You don't have to, because in the manual there wasn't an adjustable base that goes inside the frame. And I just did it. I thought it was going to be tight, but then, oh my gosh, I remembered you can move the head and the foot. So, which is what I just did. And now I can make everything tight and secure. Bolts are sitting perfectly on their hinges, legs, everything. Now, I know how exhausting this is going to be. Are we going to take the adjustable base out of the bed frame and put slats? I might, or maybe not. But right now, this is seriously the best movie ever. So, again, you can assemble it easily. You can disassemble it easy as well and put everything back in the headboard and move to a new house if you want to. You don't have to leave your bed behind anymore or try to sell it or get rid of it or break it during the moving. This is amazing. This great, amazing gift. It's a wonderful bed for an extra room or guest bedroom. It has like everything you want is in this bed. So this is just perfect. I'm going to put my DreamCloud mattress on the adjustable base now. I have the DreamCloud, as you can see, sitting on the adjustable base inside the new DreamCloud bed frame. Here's the good bad thing about this mattress. It's 15 inches and it's hiding, the bad thing is that it's hiding half of the headboard. I would have loved for the more headboard to be showing, but that's how it is. It was super easy to install it. I am going to show you how the DreamCloud is going to perform on its own adjustable base inside its own bed frame. It's working great for me. You feel so luxurious, seriously, on the on the mattress alone. Fabulous. And now the whole headboard is hiding, but whatever. Come on, you need a comfortable mattress. The whole idea of this movie was to show you how I can assemble and build